So let's try to change our app using the GitHub flow. And what we want to do now is we want to create a branch. We do that by clicking down here and say we want to create a branch called exclamation, because we want to add some exclamation marks to this text. So we really say hello world, save that, and then we add that and say our commit be exclamation and commit that. We publish our branch to the repository. Now let's say we've done all our changes. What we want to do now is create a pull request. We can do that right here in VS Code by clicking create pull request, and it will open up this pull request form saying that in this repository, Freddy DK.org app1, the branch exclamation, we want to merge the changes from that into the main branch of that one. The title is exclamation, and let's just create this pull request. Now, following the GitHub flow, we now want to address merge comments, and we do that either here, where we can review our changes right here in GitHub, or maybe another user could do that right here in github.com, like looking at the pull request, having a look at this one, looking at the files changed. We can see this is fine. I'll say I'll approve this. So if there were required approvers, this would now be approved by one approver. And in this case, I'm not the same user. This is FrontDK, and the change actually came from Freddy DK. So it's my Microsoft account, and the other one here is my secondary account. So it's also going to run the CI/CD pipeline. And let's just have a look how that goes, because we also want that one to complete and actually see that our that all our tests are running fine. And as we can see here, some of the tests are failing. We can look at the details of the build process and see what's happening. And we should be able to see what we compiles the test. It's running the tests, and that one is the first one to fail. Now, it didn't really show there. If I go to summary of this one, it will tell me that function test hello world message was not displayed, and there are test failures. And then if we go into this one to look at the details, we can also download the test results, but running tests, we'll be able to see that this one, that the message is not displayed, and it's an hello world test line number 7. Let's go to our VS Code app and try to figure out what that is. In line number 7 here, this is our test hello world app, and it looks on whether the message was displayed. This is the handler, and it looks after a specific message. And since we added some exclamation marks, we of course need to fix our test as well. So let's submit this one with the message fix test, like that, and sync those changes. And let's go back to GitHub and look at our pull request and see that new changes has been submitted, and it will kick off a new pull request build. And of course, it could also have been the reviewer that saw that the test hadn't been displayed, but it's really a matter of reviewers plus your automated tests that will tell you whether the changes that are coming from this pull request are okay to merge into our main branch. Let's wait for this one, CI/CD pipeline, to complete. And as we can see this time, all tests passed, and I can merge the pull request, confirm the merge, and delete the branch. Now obviously in VS Code I'll have to take out the main branch, and when I sync that, I'll be able to see that that's now updated, and here I'll delete the exclamation, the local copy of that branch as well, and I'm ready to take on the next challenge here in VS Code on developing the next feature I want to do.